Hi guys, welcome again to Wendy Styles. I just want to show you guys this beautiful gorgeous haircut for black women. I want about this style is that haircut that will make you stand out. Like if you really want that eye-catchy look, this haircut will really create that kind of style that will make you look unique in the crowd. I love this hairstyle because it will always add those extra shine to your hair, and it's a style that will always make your hair look healthy. One thing with this haircut is that haircut that can be easily achieved any time of the day, whether you want to try it at home. And one thing with the style is that it's a versatile haircut that can be styled in different ways. Just prove that long hair isn't for everyone by rocking this beautiful curly short haircut. You can also add some shaved designs if you wish, because you can see black women these days can tailor their natural curl or kinks to a short soft style, forming the perfect balance with a clipper cut or even a pixie cut. This is another beautiful hairstyle that any woman out there can try. You can stylishly rock this beautiful haircut, and you can see how many beautiful black women tends to rock the style because it's very easy to style, and the haircut is a hairstyle that will give your hair that perfect shape you want. Okay, if it's the first time on this channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to be notified whenever we upload a new video. Just have a specialist that is specialized in natural hair and cuts for them to give you this perfect shape, and you will also want to consult them maybe for the best product to maintain this voluminous result. Or sometimes you can also ask in the comment section. I'm always here to give reply to everyone in the comment section below. I appreciate you, my returning subscribers, my new subscribers. God bless you guys, and see you in my next